different design and the high quality folding containers wall and flat pack containers roof makes.
Nice.
The container house new generation is coming! The folding flat pack container house! And now, you see, this is the foldable type. 2.52 meters by 5.92 meters by 0.448 high. One high cube can loading 10 units. And you see, this is the flat pack containers roof. Look at me, it's 100 kilogram. Let's check it! Wow! No problem. How many time can take for installation of this product? 2 hours? 1 hour? I have no idea. I just know the whole installation just need one plate and full range and 4 people. Ladies and gentlemen, takes time! 30 seconds. One minute. One minute half pass. Yeah, it's done. We look at, oh, just 1 minute 42 seconds. What? One flat pack folding container with 1 door and 2 windows. Wow! The flat pack folding container house is finished. Now let's go inside and have a look. How is it? Wow, the stronger steel door. High quality aluminum sliding windows. And look at that, 50 mm bamboo plywood flooring. Wow, it's really stronger. And look at the roof. It's the luxury ceilings and have the wooden grates. Wow, what amazing! The electric system is already finished in the factory. Let's make the waterproof test. Wow!
Later. A few moments later. 2 hours later.
Let's check the waterproof system is okay or not. Now you can see not only the roof but also the windows, the floor, and the wall is no any waters. Waterproof pass. The new product, folding flat pack container house. Good price, modern design. Your smart choice.